doesn't work no more. Bloody debt collector now.
It's Danny again, mate. You didn't call. I'm in deep shit. I think I'm being followed. I'm in the car park, mate. Are you coming?
You seen the paper? Danny McKillop, shot dead by a cop in the car park of the Trafalgar.
There's no chance that this Baker planted that gun and the smack on him, is there?
Linda Hillier, Jacku Irishu rang earlier.
There's just a whole lot of stuff that doesn't add up. Some mystery woman calling up Danny McKillop to say that she's got evidence proving he's innocent. Then she disappears, he dies, and now the lottery winner's disappeared as well.
This crusade you're on, is it connected? It's some sort of guilt thing?
Till you make something nice out of it. It's only a piece of wood.
This horse is going to win because it's the best horse in the race. There's nothing else going on here.
How does it feel to bring down an entire government, Wilbur, without getting off your bar stool? I don't think this is about the horses, fellas. Might have something to do with a little job I've taken on.
Well, don't take on any big jobs.